All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. We got a classic little trig or pre-calc question here. Let me explain to you what's going on. Find the 6 trig functions, that's sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, cotangent. You can see them right there, okay? And what's happening is this is an alpha, I think. That is the letter alpha. And it looks like for this problem, our angle has gone around 360 degrees and then over 90 degrees more and has a terminal side right here in the second quadrant, okay? Now, so this blue triangle, this is the right triangle that you're going to use to answer the question. The right angle is always formed between the opposite and the adjacent. And the adjacent is always on the x-axis. So it seems like this must be -7. This must be 24. What's the hypotenuse? Well, we got to use the Pythagorean theorem for that. So -7 squared plus 24 squared equals h squared, okay? So 49 plus, I should know this. First of all, I think the answer to this question is 25. Isn't this a Pythagorean triple? 7, 24, 25 plus. And this is supposed to be an h that didn't show up. Equals h squared. Okay, 576 plus 49. Square root of 585. Ooh, no. Okay. 49. No. Hold on. 585 plus 49 doesn't. And then the square root of that, still a weird one. Okay, 25 point. That doesn't make any more sense. Oh, yeah, 25.19. Okay, so we're just going to leave it as radical 634. So h is the square root of 634. All right, so simplify your answer, including any radicals. Use integers or fractions. So the answer for the sign is opposite. Here's alpha right there. The sign is opposite over hypotenuse. So it is 24. Opposite over hypotenuse is 24 over radical 634. Okay. All right, so we want to multiply that by radical 634 over radical 634. And what you get for that is 24 times radical 634 over 634. Excuse me. Undo there. So now what I'll do is get my calculator out and I'll see, can I reduce 24 over 634? Well, definitely. 24. Let me go alpha y equals, enter. 24. 634. 12. Okay, that's it. So you just divide it by 2. So it's going to be 12 radical 634 over 317. Here's this answer. 12 times radical 634 over 317. That's the exact answer. It's not easy, okay? So what's cosine going to be? Well, cosine is going to be, let's see. It's going to be -7 over radical 634. Okay, not allowed to have a radical in the denominator. So this one, we're going to multiply again by radical 634 over radical 634. And I don't think that 7 over 634 simplifies. Alpha y equals enter. It does not, so that's going to be our answer. So for tangent, we're going to have it be opposite over adjacent. So that's negative 24 over 7. Okay, now cosecant is going to be the reciprocal of the sine. So that'll just be radical 634 over 24. And then this one's going to be, secant's going to be the reciprocal of cosine. So it's going to be radical 634 over 7 with a negative radical 634 over 7. And cotangent, that's just the inverse of that. So that's negative 7/24. If you have any questions about simplifying these radicals, just come see me and I will do it with you. Oh!